I made this video a couple of weeks ago and I've been getting a lot of comments, negative comments and positive comments. My skin went from this to this. My skin went from this to this. One of the products I use is this same affordable body lotion. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can boost your cheap body lotion to make it into a super brightening body lotion. And I'm going to show you guys a Monday to Sunday routine. And I'll also be reacting to the comments, okay, especially the negative ones. As you can see, I used to use this one lotion before and it got finished. I got another one, which is two. I told you guys I love this body lotion. I'm still going to get more of it. And this is what I use. I'm not the kind of person that will tell you, oh, get this, and I don't use them. I'm a skincare creator that practice what I preach, okay? So one of the negative comments I received was, let me read it out. It's only this phone I have. I don't have a camera now, so I decided to write it down in a paper. So the first person said, Nivea is never a good cream. Everybody complains of darkening while using it. Please, ladies, let's be informed that some of these people telling us to use this and that soap and cream use filter to make their skin look brighter and smooth. Please, if you see someone that uses filter, you definitely know, right? That video is probably like 15 minutes. How will I be using filter for like 15 minutes? I had to even reply like, okay, why not request a video call? Okay, so you clear your doubt instead of coming to say negative comments, because I don't deceive people. I tell you what works. I tell you this is what I use, or this is what works, this is what I've worked for my client, this is what I've worked for my students. If it's fine, you can use it. If you like, you can ignore it. I don't know whether I should stop sharing some helpful tips on this my channel, but I will use because of the positive comments I've been getting to create more videos, because I love to create helpful videos for my subscribers. I am not using filter. I cannot use filter. This is my skin. This is my skin. This is my face, no filter. This one said, women and coded bleaching. Well done, no, you're activating your activating journey. Please, I don't bleach my skin. As you can see, I'm not bleaching. I don't even advise people. I don't even recommend bleaching. I don't even encourage it because I don't even bleach and I don't know how to bleach. And I cannot relate to it because bleaching is not something I do, okay? I just tell you things that will help to enhance your lotion, things that will help you to enhance your skin and have a beautiful and glowing skin. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the routine you will do to activate this particular body lotion. I created a Monday to Sunday routine here to know how to use this particular lotion. Okay, so first of all, the things you will need, you need your Nivea lotion, you need your lightening shower gel, you need your lightening body oil. This is one I use. You can use the CeraVe body oil, you can use the whitener oil, you need your Koji Sand soap, your body scrub, you need your Dove soap, or you can use extract, anyone is fine. You need your Ashanti papaya and honey soap. You can use extract, you can use Hawaii, you can use drip. Any nice brightening body soap would do. A lot of people be asking me, should I use extract? This extract is also good. K Brother is also very nice too. You can use K Brother on your skin. So these are the things you will need for this routine. And you also need to get a sunscreen. This is the one I use. You can get a sunscreen for yourself, okay? On Monday, we'll be doing our glowing and moisturizing. In the morning, you're going to get your Dove bar soap. Use it to cleanse your skin. Then when you're done cleansing your skin, then when you come out of the bathroom, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion or your Dove or your Vaseline body lotion, any cheap lotion, any affordable lotion, any moisturizer will do the job. Dove, Vaseline, Olay, vitamin C, any moisturizer at all will do the job. This is the one I use. This is the one that I decided to make a reaction on. So this is how you're going to activate this. You use your Nivea body lotion on your skin. When you moisturize your skin, when your product is absorbed, then you go in with your oil on your skin. Then the next thing is, after this, then you apply your sunscreen on your skin. Okay, that's for morning. Then in the evening, you are going to use your Koji Sand soap. In the evening, you're going to use your Koji Sand soap. You're going to use to wash your skin or cleanse your skin. Then you leave it on your skin for like some minutes, maybe like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then you wash it off. When you wash it off, when you come out of the bedroom, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion. When you go in with your Nivea body lotion, when you finish applying moisturizing your skin, then you go in with your your body oil. So this is what you're going to do in the night. After applying your oil, then you allow it to absorb into your skin before you go and sleep. That's for Monday routine, which is glowing and moisturizing. Okay, then on Tuesday we are going to be doing the exfoliation and double cleansing. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do on Monday morning, you're going to use your Dove bar soap. I like this pink one because this is more like a brightening. You can use extract, you can use K brother. Use this on your body in the morning and wash your skin and cleanse your skin. Then when you're out of the bedroom, you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After your Nivea body lotion, then you go in with your body oil. Then when you go in with your body oil, then the next thing you're going to apply your sunscreen. This is what you're going to do on Tuesday morning. Okay, on Tuesday night you're going to go in with the Ashanti papaya and honey soap. You can use extract, you can use K brother and wash your skin. Then when you cleanse your skin finish, then you go in with your shower gel. This shower gel you're going to use to deep cleanse or double cleanse your skin. Then when you finish doing this, then you go in with your body scrub. This is Ashanti. This is a salt scrub. You can use any scrub. You can use a sugar scrub, you can use a salt scrub, but please, if you have a sensitive skin, please go for a sugar scrub. You take this scrub and you scrub your skin. I did a video about how to properly exfoliate your skin to get maximum result. I'll link the video up here. Please do well to click it and watch, and I'm very sure you're going to get a lot of benefit from that video. Okay, take this and scrub your skin. After scrubbing your skin, when you're out of the bedroom, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After you use your Nivea body lotion finish, when it's properly absorbed into your skin, then you go in with your body oil. Body oil is properly absorbed, then you go in and sleep. Okay, that's what we're going to do on Tuesday night. Okay, the next day is going to be on a Wednesday, and we're going to be doing moisturization. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go in with your Dove bar soap. You can go in with your extract, you can go in with your K brother, any soap at all is fine. This is what I do. You use this Dove bar soap and cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, then you go in, when you're out of the bedroom, you go in with your Nivea body lotion or any lotion at all. After this, then you go in with your lightening body oil. This is the oil I use. When you use this, then when it's fully absorbed, then you go in with your sunscreen. You use your sunscreen on your body, especially on the exposed part. That's basically what you do on Wednesday morning. On Wednesday night, you're going to take your Koji Sand soap and you're going to use it to cleanse your skin. Okay, you use this Koji Sand soap to cleanse your skin. Then when you're done cleansing, then when you're out of the bedroom, you go in with your Nivea body lotion. Then after this, you go in with your lightening oil. After your lightening oil, when it's fully absorbed, then you go to bed. That's basically what you're going to do on Wednesday night. Okay, then the next day is on Thursday. We are going to do exfoliation and double cleansing or deep cleansing. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your Dove bar soap. You're going to use your Dove bar soap to cleanse your body. You can use extract, you can use K brother and cleanse your skin. When you're done cleansing your skin, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After using your Nivea body lotion, then you go in with your body oil. Then after going in with your body oil, then you go in with your sunscreen. After your sunscreen, that is basically all you do for Thursday morning. Okay, then Thursday night you're going to get your Ashanti papaya soap, extract anyone can do. You use your Ashanti papaya soap and cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, then you go in with your lightening shower gel. You rinse this one off before you go in with this. Okay, then when you go in with this, then when you're done cleansing your skin with this, then you go in with your body scrub. You're going to use the body scrub and exfoliate your skin. After exfoliating your skin, you will leave it for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes, depending on how patient you can be in the bedroom. Then when you scrub your skin, after scrubbing your skin, when you're out of the shower, then you go in with your moisturizer, which is Nivea body lotion. Then after this, then you go in with your lightening body oil. Then after your lightening body oil, you allow it to absorb, then you go to bed. That's what you're going to do on Thursday night. Okay, then on Friday we are going to be doing the glowing and maintenance. Okay, so what you're going to do on Friday morning, you're going to go in with your Dove bar soap, your extract soap, your K brother soap, or any brightening body soap. You're going to use it to cleanse your skin. This is what I use. You use and cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, then you go in with your, when you're out of the bedroom, you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After doing this, then you go in with your lightening body oil. You can use a CeraVe or you can use a white now oil, or you can use a Moroccan oil. Anyone is okay. Use it and seal in the moisture on your skin. Then when you're done, then you go in with your sunscreen. This is what you're going to do on Friday morning, okay? Then on Friday night, you're going to go in with your Koji Sand soap. Use it to cleanse your skin. Leave it for like some minutes, like leave it for like 3 minutes. When it's fully absorbed into your skin, then you wash it off. Then after washing it off, then when you're out of the bedroom, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After your Nivea body lotion, then you go in with your lightening body oil. After your lightening body oil, then you go to bed and sleep. When your products are fully absorbed into your skin, so you not go and apply it on your bed sheets or on your pillowcases, okay? They've taken the light. So but let's continue, okay? Our Saturday, we're going to be doing the exfoliation and brightening. For your morning routine, you're going to get your Dove bar soap and use it to cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, then you go in with your, when you're out, you go in with your Nivea body lotion. Then after your Nivea body lotion, then you go in with your body oil. Then after your body oil, then you go in with your sunscreen, okay? Your sunscreen. Then that's all for Saturday morning. Then Saturday evening, which is the day, then the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go in with your Ashanti papaya and honey soap. You're going to use it to cleanse your skin. Then after cleansing your skin, then you go in with your lightening shower gel. You're going to use to wash your skin. After depleting your skin, then the next thing, you go in with your body scrub. You're going to use this body scrub to exfoliate your skin. After exfoliating your skin, when you're out of the shower, you leave this for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes, depending on how patient you can be in the bathroom. After scrubbing your skin or exfoliating your skin, please leave it for some minutes on your body before you wash it off. When you're done from the bedroom, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After using this, when this is fully absorbed, you go in with this on your skin. Then after this, then you go, when it's fully absorbed, then you go to bed. That is for Saturday evening, okay? Then on Sunday, we'll be doing our moisturization. So in the morning, you're going to get your Dove bar soap, your extract soap, or any soap at all. You're going to use to cleanse your skin. Then after cleansing your skin, then you go in, when you're out of the bedroom, you go in with your Nivea body lotion. Then after this, you go in with your body oil. After this, then you go in with your sunscreen. That is on Sunday morning, okay? Then on Sunday night, you're going to go in with your Ashanti papaya and honey soap on Sunday. If you can see, I did not talk about Koji Sand soap, right? Because you're going to use Koji Sand soap 3 times and you're going to exfoliate your skin 3 times. Am I clear? So you go in with your Ashanti papaya and honey soap. You're going to use to wash your skin. After that, when you come out of the bedroom, then you go in with your Nivea body lotion. After you finish using your Nivea body lotion, then you go in with your lightening body oil, and that's all. That's for Sunday, which is 7 days in a week. Am I clear? So this is how you're going to use this your cheap or affordable body lotion to get effective results, okay? So guys, have you gotten to this point? If you have, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So guys, have you been using any of this routine which I've shared in this video? If this is actually the routine you're using, please do well to comment down below. Or if you have any other routine that have been working for you, that have been helping you activating your cheap body lotion, also do well to comment down below. I'll be in the comment section replying to all your comments, okay? Please be nice with your comments. Thank you. So guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share this video to whoever you know that this video will be helpful for, and do well to comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe. So if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.